Hello, this is Revmatic and welcome to my first lesson to our project. So first, you need to type IntelliJ Community Edition download into Google and click on the first link. This is a software where you will write your code. So right here, don't click on download here because you don't want the ultimate version, which is paid. You want to scroll down to community version and download this, then install it. Next, you need to type Java JDK and download the first link. And here you can select, for example, JDK 17. It doesn't matter for our project. And click Windows if you have Windows, installer, click on installer and then install it. Once you will have these two things installed, you will go to your IntelliJ software, open it, and you will see something like this. And here you will click on new project. After you click on it, you will see something like this. So name is name of our project. So let's name it as night. Location is location where your project will be saved. Language is Java. Build system for us doesn't matter. Let's select Maven and JDK. You should see your version which you installed. Click on create. So right now you should see something like this. From XML you can close, and here you can see this. If you click on this parentheses, it will be like this. So here this is a main class, and what it does is that everything that's inside those parentheses in main will be executed. So as you can see, right now there is system out println, which means that what's inside will be displayed here in Java. If you put something in these symbols, it will be text. So as you can see, hello world, hello world. If we could write hi YouTube, and again you can play it right here, or you can play it here because there's a main, as you can see. So if you start it, hi YouTube should appear here. Okay, so we successfully created our project, and in the next lesson I'll explain what is a class, how to create a class, and other things. So thank you for watching. Consider subscribing and like, and have a nice day.